Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the charts of Pepe, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Of course, as of July 24th, as we start off this week, we are seeing a lot of bloodbath across the board. You can see over the last day, the 24 hours time frame, we are seeing majority of the markets, especially the top 100 coins right now. If we're looking at it, they're down quite a bit. We're seeing Pepe down 11.2%. So what exactly is going on? Is this what is happening? And of course, thank you so much to each and every one of you guys for reaching out over the past few days, because obviously I did take the weekend off. I was unable to give you guys updates, but sometimes guys, you need to take break. Even though I personally did not want to take the break, but people around me decided, you need to take some time off, because I do have a full-time job as well. I'm doing YouTube content, so I need to rest my brain sometimes. So thank you for everyone reaching out, but we're back on schedule and let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe right now, it's currently sitting at 134. You can see it's down about 11.3% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down about 9% in both Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, on the other hand, 564.5 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 104 million. So right away, what we can see is we have gone below that $600 million mark, and that is quite something to note right now. But if we're looking at Pepe's Twitter, you guys can see no news as of now in terms of some sort of announcement. As of now, we haven't really heard anything. But as far as the followers go, we are currently sitting at 421.6k followers, which is not bad to see at all. But now let's look at the price. And let's look at what's going on. So the holder count has decreased this time around, because we did see an 11.4% drop. So, we would expect some people to obviously lock their profits in. That is not a surprise to me right now that we are down in the holder count. But overall, we've always seen since, this coin's existence, the holder count has been increasing. So, and not anything to worry about. Obviously, the markets are down, so we will see some people locking in profits, especially the ones that have picked up early on. But now let's look at the price. What is happening with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term? So before we get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Looking at its market cap, $562.4 million. But let's take a look at the price. So you guys can see that insanely important level of support has been broken below. This support line played out for us for over a month. We've seen the price of Pepe bouncing back and forth for literally over a month, and obviously this time around we have seen the price break below, and it is retesting the June 21st prices, that support right there, and that's exactly where we're seeing the price of Pepe being supported at right now. So now comes the question of the hour, the question of the day: what is next? Are we expecting a bounce towards the upside, or are we going to see the price of Pepe fall back down to this 1193 cents mark? So before we do that, let's examine Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now has lost that support line, that 29,500 support line, which we've been hanging around again for almost a month, and that is the reason why we're seeing a lot of bloodbath right now, because Bitcoin is about to retest that $28,700 support, which I've discussed with you guys beforehand as well. I said if we lose this support line, next target for BTC is at that $28,700 mark, and we are very close for us to retest that support line. Last time we were even around these prices was back on May. So obviously we are seeing a downwards trend over the past few days in Bitcoin right now, but dominance still remains around 50%, and this is a good thing, guys. For an altcoin holder, anyone that is not holding Bitcoin and is holding altcoins, this is something good to see, because if Bitcoin dominance was at 51 to or 52%, we would have seen a bloodbath even more compared to what we have seen right now. So this is something we need to keep in mind right now. Remember, if we're looking at it on the monthly time frame, we're still seeing a lot of altcoins up a lot, and this is why you need to be locking those profits. And you cannot be getting greedy. When you lock those profits, and you can buy them back around these times. And this is why we examine the price of Bitcoin on a daily basis. But is this over? That might be the question that everyone has. I don't think this is over at all. Like, I still believe that Pepe has what it takes to become the meme coin of the cycle, the coin of the cycle. There's a lot of other coins that are gaining a lot of traction as well. We are seeing Caspa, we're seeing, of course, Pepe, we're seeing Unibot, a lot of coins of the cycle. I think these are some of the ones that a lot of people are talking about, but I think Pepe will make a comeback. This is obviously due to Bitcoin. I think if Bitcoin did not see this move, we would not have seen the price of Pepe drop below the support. So now comes the question: if Bitcoin drops below this support and goes back down to $27,600 mark, that would be meaning that that would be the first time since basically, you could say, June 1st that we have been retesting the $27,700 support, obviously support. So if that were to happen, we could see the price of Pepe fall down to that 1192 cents mark, and that is still a possibility. Obviously, I keep things realistic. I'm not just going to come out and say, yeah, Pepe is looking strong right now and we're back to $1 billion. No, that's not going to happen. We're going to be analyzing the charts and really see what's happening. And right now, it all depends on Bitcoin. But I do expect when things turn around, Pepe is going to be one of the projects that is going to see a recovery quite fast. We've seen this happen last time around. Remember when Bitcoin was seeing prices around this range, and then anyone that picked up Pepe around this mark, they saw the price of Pepe go up 120%. So that's something that we need to keep in mind. But right now, like I said, if Bitcoin were to drop back down to $27,000 mark, we could of course expect more downside for Pepe. But long-term perspective, I think nothing has changed. I think the overall narrative is still stronger than ever, and more people are talking about Pepe than ever. And I do believe that this coin still has what it takes to shock a lot of people. But again, obviously time is going to tell, but this is the current analysis. Obviously, we are holding at some very critical levels of support. If this were to drop, yes, we do have, some prices that could go a little lower. But let me know down below what you guys are doing right now. Are you guys picking up more Pepe? Are you guys picking up some more other altcoins? If yes, which altcoin are you guys picking up? I want to hear from you guys. And also let me know if you guys want me to cover other projects. If you do, let me know in the comment section. But thank you so much for all your support. I love each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of support. And yeah, I can't thank you guys enough. But yeah, we're back on schedule. See you guys tomorrow, my Pepe family. And that is it for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.